The next question was a question on the Implanon Next. I don't know how many of you have seen it. It is not as of now universally available in most in available, but it's available in some centers. Like in Delhi, 2 3 medical colleges have it. In different parts of India now, it's as a pilot project. It's being started. Hopefully, it will come now in a big way soon. But this is the implant non next, or the implant, you can simply say, and the molecule is etonorgestrel. Okay, so the implanon next is etonorgestrel. List two advantages and two disadvantages of this mode of contraception. Advantages are several. It is very, very effective. In fact, it is the most effective temporary contraceptive available. Okay, another advantage is it is long acting. Another advantage is it is safe in breastfeeding women. It is safe in women who have a history of thromboembolism. So, जहाँ जहाँ estrogen नहीं दे सकते, you can easily give this contraceptive. Two disadvantages: it requires, it's a little painful. It requires skill. It's a skill that is learned for insertion and removal. So insertion removal is difficult. It causes irregular bleeding. Okay, it can cause prolonged periods of amenorrhea. It has no protection against sexually transmitted diseases. Any of these, if you mention. Another advantage is it has a quick return to fertility. Within 24 hours of removal, the patient quickly gets pregnant. Okay, so any two advantages, two disadvantages. Two complications associated with this procedure: one is pain, one is infection at the site of injection. Third is it can get displaced, or it can go deeper inside if the placement is not correct, technique is not correct. So it can get displaced. It can go inside the deeper tissue. It can get lost. That's why it's made of a radio opaque substance, barium sulfate. So you can find it. But yeah, pain, infection, displacement, and getting lost. These are a few complications. How long is it effective for? The Implanon Next is effective for 3 years. The failure rate is less than 0.1%. In fact, it's 0.001%, if you want to be more exact. It is one of the best methods. In fact, it's more effective than permanent methods of contraception. So that is about the Implanon Next. Since it's a new contraceptive, so they're asking a lot of new contraceptives. Last OSCE, they had asked about subcutaneous DIMPA. This OSCE, they've asked about implant